Hey guys, Jason here. Wanted to let you know that I got the ring finished. Turned out really, really nice. It actually turned out a little, I want to call it organic. So there's not super straight lines as far as the edges of the ring, which I actually like. It makes it look old, which it is. And I contacted the customer and showed him pictures and told him my thoughts. I could even it up if he wanted, but I like it more organic, and so does he. He really, really likes how the ring turned out. So it was definitely the most difficult one I've done, and it was pretty stressful, but definitely worthwhile doing it. It was interesting because the ring formed. Well, let me show you here real quick. The ring formed how it wanted to form. But that is it right there. So it turned out really nice. The trick of it was to do incredibly small movements and lots of annealing. I mean, I probably annealed this thing, I don't know, 50, 60 times, and just do one small movement with it and then come back and do another small movement with it, using a lot of different tools. A lot of the mandrels, the steel mandrel and plastic mandrel, phenolic mandrel, also Ross pusher and the brass pushers. So, but yeah, Swede Tools did a lot of work with this guy. So thank you, McCullough Moeller and Ross for the Ross pushers. And then also, what was really cool, contacted the customer, and asked me if he wanted to do a pendant with a plug, and he said absolutely. So here's the pendant, and was able to make these two rings right here. I was going to try to use a piece of the coin that I had cut out, but there wasn't enough material, so maybe I'll go under the microscope and show this stuff. I'll do it. I don't have a mic over there, so I'll just talk about it right now, but I'll take it over there. So anyways, these two rings here, I tried to make a bail for the pendant from a piece of the coin that I had cut out, but there wasn't enough material. So I took all the scrap and the shavings and whatnot, melted it down, there we go, and made square wire, and then twisted it, and then made the bail. You see here, soldered that on to the plug for the pendant. Also dapped it so it has a little dimension to it. But then this ring here is just a jump ring, and the way the pirates used to wear their necklaces, they would have necklaces of gold and silver, but they would just be square wire twisted in a jump ring. So you could take this piece here and twist it, and that separates, and then you take this off your necklace, and then that piece there, that's how you buy your mug of rum or whatever you're going to get as a pirate. So, but thought that would be kind of cool to have for an addition to the pendant. So there it is, 528-year-old coin made into a ring and a pendant. Alright guys, thanks for checking out the videos and watching these episodes on the 1492 Spanish 4 Real ring and pendant. Alright, see you guys next time. Thanks again.